Hello everyone. So the project today is to wire up a temperature controller on this Rinnai Infinity VT26 continuous gas hot water system. So I read through the manual last night and it should be pretty much straightforward. So this is the controller which I had to buy it. I just plugs through it. Actually on this system it said like you can put multiple controllers into like different bathrooms, so one can be the master and then you can slave the other ones through it. The cable which came with it is just a 2-core twisted pair for comms hooking up to the controller, but I don't think I have enough length. It's only about like 10 meters and I don't think I can get it up to the kitchen all the way through the roof. My initial plan, because the bathroom's here, I was gonna put it here, but to get it down through the wall, the bathroom has got tile walls. I didn't want to go messing around with the tile, drilling through them and get the wire out. So I'll see, I'll probably jump up on the roof, set it up here through a conduit going up in the roof, jump in the roof, pull the wire, see how far I can get. If I can't go up to the kitchen, I might just drop it probably somewhere here along the wall and probably leave it here. The switchboard's here, I'll probably leave it here somewhere. Yeah, alright, let's get into it. Okay guys, so I've run the cable up through the roof access, but it was only 10 meters, so I couldn't get it up to the kitchen. So I got it up in the garage. It's pretty safe there beside the switchboard. So we'll wire this up. Now I was going through the manual last night. So this is the dip switches which you can set the temperatures up to manually. And I think this one was for the type of gas it's using. Is it pipe gas or LPG or something? And this connector here, actually this one here, it was the one which we should be wiring the controller to. It was a pretty bad place to go and work in, but what the factory has done, Rinnai has done, they've run this cable all the way through here, and they've given like 2 terminals here, which makes our life very easy. Yeah, sorry guys, the battery was low, so the camera cut out. So I was saying they wired up to the terminals here. So what I've done, the wire is coming up from the roof, coming down through the pipe here, and I'll put it on the terminals here. According to the manual, it's not priority sensitive, so I'll just hook it up here. I'll put this back together, put the cover back on, flick it on, and I'm pretty sure we have to go through the manual to set up the controller, to make it the main controller. Alright, I'll put this back together. Oh, there we go. Ready for the setup. Okay, we'll have to go through the manual. Water. Master 40 10. Okay, so master, it is set at 40, but I'm sure if I leave it on 37, let's see how much difference it makes. Tap here. That's on full hot. That's pretty nice. 37. I'll check in the bathroom how much difference it makes on 37. Check it one more time. Okay, see in the bathroom. full hot. Quite warm. Over there. Yeah, I'm trying 40. Yeah, at least it's not running on 55, which is pretty standard without the controller. So I'll show you this. Here's the gas setup here. Yeah, so normally one tank lasts about 3.5 weeks. In summer we might go up to 4 weeks. This is the new tank I started yesterday, so I'll see in another 3-4 weeks. Hopefully it will last a week longer. A week longer is like one less tank in the whole year. The price of LPG has gone up. It's like $134 for one tank of gas, so it's pretty expensive now. Alright, let's see how it turns up after a month. Thank you everyone for watching, and this should be it. Cheers, thank you.